Hello, it's Sheila. So today I'm going to show you our brand new Burstner Lyseo 590. Come and take a look. So first of all, you have your 16-inch factory fitted Fiat alloy wheels down there. Along this side you'll see you've got storage, you've got your awning light that strips the whole way across. You have your outside barbecue point, your outside TV point, and then your outside storage. Now in here you'll see your removable carpets are in here. These actually can turn into shelves, so you can have shelves the whole way up or you can keep it open as well. You can access that from your bathroom, but I'll show you that later. These motorhomes come with a XXL door, so it's extra large, and an electric drop down step as well. Let's go inside. So here is the inside. Now this upholstery is genuine pure. I might be saying that wrong, so correct me if I am. And the wood finish is Baja. I just want to mention before I get stuck in here, if there's any other vehicles that you'd like to see, please let me know and I can do the walkthrough. That's not a problem. Come on up front here, let me show you. So this is a manual. As you can see here, you have your multimedia system that connects up to your reverse camera. You have your aircon, you have your USB ports, you have your multifunctioning steering wheel here as well, and of course that's leather. Now this comes with Remus blinds across the cab, perfect blackout blinds. This is a 4-berth, this making up your first 4-berth. Now if you want to see what that looks like, I'm telling you it is huge. There's an extender that comes with this as well, so if you really want to see it, let me know. I have no problem showing you and lying on it, don't worry. Up above is your electric drop-down bed for the 3rd and 4th berth, and that just comes down. I wasn't very graceful hitting the button, but you see here there's a ladder that connects up to that as well. It is a sensitive button. Now this is quite a short van at 5.99 metres, which is perfect size for parking anywhere. It also is 2.3 metres in width, so you've still got plenty of space. Here is your kitchen element to the van. So of course you have your fridge freezer. You of course have additional worktop space to then access your sink. And here is your 3 gas hob and your combined oven and grill in there as well. Now this is a Burstner, and again this is one of my favourite features. I don't know if you've seen it in any other video, but I'll show you again if you haven't. Burstner do power lines, so here is your light and then you can just twist it off and off that pops. Now this actually stores power, and that's throughout the motorhome, so if you don't want your light here you can move it somewhere else. You can also buy additional features, so USB ports, different things on Amazon on that. Once it's in, on it goes again. So this is your bathroom now, and you'll see you've got a separate shower within that element. Now I mentioned outside you can actually access your storage internally for your garage. You'll see there's a ton of storage within this motorhome, really making use of its small size. So that was your bathroom. Now you'll see here you have a factory fitted TV port here that comes with the design. This is Truma heating as well that comes in the motorhome. And that's about it. That wraps everything up. So that was our Burstner 590 brand new 2021 edition. If you'd like to know any more information like the bed setup as I mentioned, or if you want to see any other vehicles, please contact me directly. You can drop a message in the comments. You can email me at marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or you can give us a call on 028 92 693 999. And I'll see you in the next video.